Jesus and his disciples stepped ashore in the region of the Gerasenes, where the wind carried the distant cries of a man tormented by an unclean spirit. From among the tombs emerged a wild figure, scarred and trembling, chains dangling from his wrists where others had tried and failed to restrain him. Yet when he saw Jesus, he ran toward him, not with violence, but with a desperate, agonized recognition. Falling at Jesus' feet, the man cried out, the voice within him pleading not to be sent away. Jesus stood firm, calm, and commanding, his presence slicing through the chaos like morning light. "What is your name?" he asked, and the reply came, layered and broken. "Legion, for we are many." With a single authoritative word, Jesus drove the demons out, sending them into a nearby herd of pigs that rushed down the steep bank into the sea. Silence followed, deep, miraculous silence, as the man, now restored and in his right mind, gazed up at Jesus with gratitude and awe. When he begged to follow him, Jesus gently refused, instructing him instead to return home and testify to the mercy and power he had experienced. And so the man went, proclaiming throughout the region all that Jesus had done, leaving those who heard his story filled with wonder.